Lisa with Truly Contagious and Contagious Wholesale here. We've been a seller with Jane since 2013. I'm hearing a lot of frustration about flat files, and I wish I would have done this earlier to help you out, but at least I can give you a little bit of a gift of time right now. So let's get started. The question today was, how can I copy one of my products really easily? The first step you need to take is to go to the Jane website, and underneath products, there is an export button. So you click that export button and everybody knows how to get your Excel file out of there. Once you have this Excel file, this is what is considered a flat file in the industry. So CSV, Excel file, it's a flat file of all your products within the Jane portal. So right here, I've already have it downloaded. We're going to take this top product. You would have numerous products probably below it, so you could erase all of those, and you would want to just either start editing the information in this product to upload it is what you would want to do. If you need to do multiple, you would just copy and paste. And what you need to do is you need to make sure that each of them have a unique product SKU. In Jane's taxonomy, this is pretty much your parent SKU. So it's your identifier. Like on Shopify, it's your URL. Every website has a different identifier, but here it's the product SKU, and you put in a similar entry for everything that you want to show up on that deal. Then of course you would change the name to get a product URL path. A quick lesson would be to go right click copy, and then you're going to paste here your URL path, go up to find and select, hit replace. We are going to put a space and we're going to replace that with a dash. Do not hit replace all. You can hit undo if you hit replace all, but it will replace everything in your entire file with a space. And then it will be really hard to fix that if you didn't know how to hit undo, but make sure you hit undo right after if you do. So I just replaced this little button right here. Close. Super cool. There's your URL. And then your product category would come from Jane's taxonomy sheet, which is their categories. So your first entry would be the category, and then the subcategory go together with like this little greater than sign. And there is a space. So category, space, greater than, space, and then you have your subcategory that you put right into this entry. That's if you need to change it from your previous ones. If you've exported your whole catalog, you probably already have that set up. Type, baseball hats. That comes from the taxonomy right here underneath type. Now I like to copy and paste. Make sure you exclude the comma, and you would paste that into right here underneath type. Is it handmade? No. Is it digital? No. Has free shipping? That's up to you and your strategy. I'd love to talk to people about that after the first week. Primary variant, we're running on a primary color strategy. We do have some generic US, but you need to make sure that your entry to identify if it has a variant and label option or if it just has an optional attribute. Now, those are very important. What that means is primary color has a variant. So we add a variant in there, and this is going to identify it. This is a child variant. And then this is the primary colors, which underneath this is your variant, your primary color. So you would select from all of these right here, and you would put one of those in the space here. If it's similar, you'll already have that. And then you have the primary variant custom label. This is what it will show in the drop down when customers pick what they're buying from you. And there's lots of strategies you can use there. And then you can have a second variant value, which I could go over in another video. And if it allows a custom label, you can do that. If not, you have to use what they already have written in the taxonomy. Here's your description. Every one of these descriptions can be different. You would switch out your price, your stock, and then your weight in ounces. And then if you want it to publish instantly, put publish here. If not, I would just probably suggest doing draft to see where it comes over, and you would drag it down. Once you have this done, you hit file and save. You go back to Jane and you hit import. And I can do another video on errors if we need to, but you would import that, and then it would walk you through the process of what your errors are.